Eureka, 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 Eureka!
I got it!
Welcome to Eureka Publication Private Limited, creators of engaging textbooks and digital learning tools. Let's dive right in.
Make a wire jump. Let's see the motor effect in action. Then discover how motion can produce electricity too. What you need: a strong U-shaped magnet, a piece of flexible wire, a 6 or 9 volt battery, a switch, and a thread. Hang the wire with a thread so that part of it dangles freely between the magnet poles. The magnetic field goes downward from the North Pole to the South Pole. We will send current into or out of the page through the little wire disc in the gap. Then the force equals current crossed with magnetic field. Close the switch briefly. With current going into the page, the wire is pushed to the left by the motor effect. Now, reverse the battery connections. With current out of the page, the force reverses and the wire jumps to the right. Conclusion: the wire moves because a force acts when the magnetic field from the current in the wire interacts with the external magnetic field. Reversing the current reverses the force. To make a motor stronger, increase the number of turns in the coil, use a stronger magnet, or increase the current. Question to think about: can a magnetic field create an electric current? We saw electricity creating motion. Can motion create electricity? Yes. Let's demonstrate electromagnetic induction. Connect a coil to a galvanometer to make a closed circuit. Now move a bar magnet toward the coil, and then away. Watch the needle deflect, one way, then the other. The deflection only happens while the magnetic flux is changing. This is electromagnetic induction. A changing magnetic flux produces an electromotive force. Faraday's law says the induced voltage equals negative the rate of change of magnetic flux. The minus sign is Lenz's law. The induced current always opposes the change that created it. Recap: motor effect. Current in a magnetic field feels a sideways force, so the wire jumps. Reverse the current, reverse the jump. Induction: change the magnetic flux through a circuit, and you generate a current. That is how generators work.
This session was brought to you by Eureka Publication Private Limited. Think it, dream it, do it. Join us for the next lesson. Till then, like, subscribe, and share. Eureka Digital Publications, creators of trusted textbooks and digital learning tools.